Hello, my name is Stephen Coates of Antique Beat Arts. I'm the co-curator of the annual London Month of the Dead festival, which runs here in the city every October. It's a festival which covers all things to do with mortality and the city across the cultural landscape. And for the last few years, we've been very privileged to have Britain Stelley come to run her Creatures Phobia workshop, which has been a highlight of our workshop programme. I can recommend Britain highly. She's a very talented, enthusiastic, passionate speaker on the subject of phobias, and the way that she runs her workshop with the creatures which most of us would find terrifying or at least alarming is wonderful. We've seen some remarkable results from attendees, people who've been absolutely terrified of bugs and spiders, actually sitting there quite happily with a tarantula running up their arm. Britain's style of presenting is extremely accessible and fun, but also it's got a lot of depth to it as well. So her work with people with phobias is admirable. So I recommend her to you, and I recommend, if you've got a phobia, that you check her out, because I'm sure she will be able to help you. Thank you.